Today we're installing this 54-inch black fan from Hampton Bay. It's rated for indoor or covered outdoor. The model name is Mena, and here's the model number. And this was purchased from Home Depot. It's dimmable, it's LED, it's adjustable as far as color, and it has a remote. And today we're replacing this old rusted out fan. One thing I love about this fan is how easy it is to install the blades. You basically just pull out this little tab and it locks into place. And then when you slide the blade in, it just snaps and holds the blade in tight. You just pull out the tab and it locks right in. Look, check it out. And no screwdriver needed. I want to make sure everything's nice and tight. And now I'm going to take off this rubber band. That way the wires for the light fixture are ready to go. Now the light kit on this fan is pretty fancy. It comes with this little hook, so that way it can hang from the bottom of the fan and it'll just hang there while you connect your wires. Because for most fans, you've got to hold the light kit while you're trying to connect the wires. And now it's real easy. You just connect the white wires together and then connect the black and the blue wire together. Make sure you push it in all the way. And do you see these 3 circles right here? Those are where the light fixture connects magnetically. So it's a good thing we have that steel safety pin to make sure it doesn't accidentally fall if someone were to hit it. And I really like that the lens cover is made out of plastic. That way, if you accidentally drop it, it doesn't crack and shatter everywhere. And after putting the battery in, this remote is actually fairly simple to use. You can control the fan speed with 3 different light indicators. You can also change the color of the light to 3 different colors. This is definitely a good quality fan. And that's a wrap.